As indicated by our Cardano cost expectation, the cost of ADA truly is anticipated to increment by $0.012837 over the course of the following 7 days, coming to $0.264543 by September 21, 2023. Assuming you are looking for Cardano market conjecture, examination, or cost expectation, you most likely, as far as plans and purposes, need to be aware where the cost of Cardano, ADA, may go from now on. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt to anticipate future cost developments. This value forecast is pointed toward noting the majority of extremely rare inquiries, which for the most part is very huge. Will Cardano, ADA, recover its all-time high? What will Cardano be worth truly 1 month from now? Which especially is genuinely critical. Is currently the perfect opportunity to purchase Cardano? Is Cardano at present appearance bullish or negative signs? In this Cardano cost expectation estimate, we will handle different ADA specialized markers to foresee the cost of Cardano, which is genuinely critical. Throughout recent days, Cardano has been giving negative indications as the coin dropped 2.34%. Because of this, we expect a slight recuperation inside the following week, as financial backers make the most of this plunge as a potential chance to purchase ADA generally. Underneath, you can for the most part see the Cardano hourly, day-to-day, week-after-week and month-to-month cost expectations. These expectations plan to provide you with a sign of what Cardano will be by and large worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, throughout the following week, and truly next month. The current cost of Cardano is $0.251706, and it for the most part is at present explicitly positioned number 7 out of all digital currencies. How much stock right now available for use for Cardano is 35,098,174,551, with an all-out market capitalization of $8,829,472,584. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of Cardano has expanded by 2.01%. Cardano for the most part has encountered a by and large difficult time picking up speed throughout the course of recent days, down 2.34%. ADA is giving negative indications this week. This moment could be a decent opportunity to essentially contribute in the event that you are considering purchasing Cardano. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of ADA sort of dropped by 13.33%, lessening its past worth of $0.290418 by $0.038713. This current downtrend by and large implies that Cardano especially is in plunge at the present time. The cost of Cardano has dropped by 3.69% over the most recent 3 months, killing $0.009644 from its past worth of $0.261349. Cardano market estimates are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which investigate different specialized pointers. For example, the General Strength List, RSI, Moving Normal Combination Uniqueness, MACD, Moving Normal, MAMA, Normal Genuine Reach, ATR, and Bollinger Group's BB, which certainly is genuinely huge. The crypto market is known to be exceptionally unstable. Foreseeing future costs of Cardano is a troublesome undertaking, and numerous essentially different elements impact the value, which is genuinely critical. Subsequently, the expectations on our site shouldn't explicitly be taken as monetary exhortation, and you ought to do actually your very own exploration in an unpretentious manner. Counsel decently your monetary consultant prior to going with any venture choices in a significant manner. Cardano, ADA. Value expectation 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, we especially are expecting that Cardano will accomplish a greatest cost of $0.45307. As the market starts to generally recuperate, the base expected cost is $0.302047, and the very normal cost will drift around $0.377558. Cardano, ADA. Value expectation 2024. As Cardano keeps on arriving at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, Cardano can in every practical sense accomplish a most extreme cost of $0.704776, while the typical cost for the year will fundamentally remain around $0.629264 in an unobtrusive manner. On the off chance that a bear market shows up, the very least value ADA can reach in 2024 is $0.553752, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano, ADA, Value Forecast 2025. Out of 2025, we anticipate that Cardano should generally see great development, as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas. Thus, the cost could really reach as sort of high as $0.956481, averaging around $0.88097, which is very huge. Cardano could really see a base cost of $0.8055458, which is genuinely critical. Cardano, ADA, Value Forecast 2026. With the preceded with development of capital in the crypto market, Cardano could arrive at a most extreme cost of $1.21 in 2026, with a by and large normal cost of $1.13. If an auction happens, the base cost expected in our forecast explicitly sits at $1.06, or so they in a real sense thought. Cardano, ADA, Value Expectation 2027. Considering the reception of ADA by nations all over the planet, Cardano can guarantee a most extreme cost of $1.46 by 2027, with a typical cost of $1.38 anticipated. Moreover, the base cost for that very year could in a real sense see $1.31. Cardano, ADA, Value Forecast 2028. In the year 2028, Cardano reception will explicitly keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to acknowledge that crypto is setting down deep roots. Financial backers could see ADA arriving at a kind of greatest cost of $1.71 by 2028, essentially followed by a fundamentally least cost of $1.56 in a significant manner. The typical cost for 2028 is supposed to be $1.64, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Cardano, ADA, Value Expectation 2029. Out of 2029, because of the development throughout the course of recent years, we will see another significant bull, and that implies that Cardano financial backers may basically see ADA accomplish a greatest cost of $1.96, followed by a truly normal cost of $1.89, which for the most part is very critical. The base cost got from our specialized examination in a real sense is $1.81, which is very huge. Cardano, ADA, Value Expectation 2030. For the year 2030, ADA basically is supposed to keep on mobilizing towards $2.22. In view of market feeling, neglecting to acquire this help could essentially see Cardano normal around $2.